Hi everyone, I'm Jack Geller, and for my entrepreneurial idea, I landed on VR real estate, which sounds kind of random, but I'll explain. Basically, not a lot of us are in a position right now where we're thinking about buying a home or buying an apartment. We're not really at that stage yet in our lives, but we're getting there pretty soon. And my cousins live out of state and moved to a different state, so they were kind of freaking out because they needed to find a property and a house to move into, and they weren't really able to go on tours right away. The parents went eventually, but they couldn't all go as a family, which kind of takes the fun out of seeing your possible future home for the first time. So I thought maybe you could create a type of VR technology where you could go on a tour of the home and kind of be on a live stream, a live feed type deal, and you could actively have you could ask questions and put it in a comment section, and the realtor or whoever's giving the tour could answer them back at the end of it, and all these properties could be stored on a database, kind of maybe something with cloud computing, because you'd probably need a lot of storage since it'd be pretty large videos. So I think that you would need to have a good platform to store it. So as long as you could have a solid platform where the videos could be compiled, and a website as well, which kind of relates to the Internet of Things we discussed in class. You can just create this huge website of different homes, different apartments that people have for sale, and it can really expedite the process of finding a home, because no longer will you need to really physically go to the property and be present, wait for a realtor. There's a lot of things that could happen in between that. Maybe the tour gets canceled and you don't find out about it. So what better way to cut time and let you kind of shop for homes in the comfort of wherever you are, and just go through many different homes in one day, as opposed to having to wait for different tours to open up. So I kind of think it's an interesting idea for that purpose. I think it's pretty practical, because eventually people aren't really going to want to go on home tours anymore. I think our generation's definitely a generation that leans towards kind of things being done in real time, and we just have it at our fingertips. So this could be something that's accepted in the future. It'd be an interesting thing to test out and see if people actually like the product idea. But yeah, that's basically it. And it's related to a lot of different things in the class, cloud computing, like I said, but you would definitely need security as well. So that would relate to having some type of coding and mechanisms to make sure that these properties aren't leaked to people who maybe would be aware of open properties. But other than that, I think it'd be a cool website with videos compiled, and you could just watch them there. Or if you wanted to watch a live stream, you could just put on a VR headset, or maybe even do it from your phone and watch it from there. But yeah, that's basically the idea, just VR real estate. Thank you.